We're going to look at some new engines that Bentley came out with. The Bentley DLC came out, and that's what I'm using. This is a Ford Mustang, though. Who puts Bentley parts in a Ford Mustang? This is a custom Mustang. This is nothing. I mean, I have like a bunch of these custom Mustangs. I have one here, one here. I have some other Mustangs too that's actually set up for, has Hemi motors and stuff in them. But yeah, we'll get into those some other time. Yeah, these are brand new motors. Check this scrap car out. Look at the price of this car now. $88,000. We're gonna do some. We're just gonna take it for a test drive here in a second. We're doing some testing to see what all needs to be fixed up. I think I did this one already. I'm not sure. I know it needs a battery, and then I'm not sure about the fuel tank. Probably throwing in a fuel tank on it. Then we're gonna take it out and drive it for a little bit, real quick, and let's go ahead and do this. We ain't worried about the tires or nothing like that. Alright, so the fuel pump is kind of weak, and yeah. It might run. I mean, we probably ought to just not run old parts in this, but oh yeah, we can get the battery. I've been putting batteries on my charger over here. Let's go ahead and add another battery to this. I have two of them. Oh my gosh. I've been pulling batteries out of old cars. I bought these cars for like $20,000 or something like that. And then I got the Bentley DLC. So then I was like, I have to drop one of those in one of these Mustangs. I mean, that would be the only way to do it, right? Alright, so the exhaust dumps off at the bottom. Let's go ahead and raise this up, and we'll put some fuel, new fuel tank on it, and a fuel pump. Should have a, I don't know, hopefully. We can check it out. We have a whole different setup under here for rear end wise. For all the customization. Fuel, the stuff just dumps off here. Those Bentleys was full wheel drive, but we made it work. We just left that axle there, ride freely, and it just kind of spins inside there. There's no axle, so it will have no drag, hopefully. Not too much. Yeah, so we're doing pretty good. I had to raise the frame up. The frame kind of looks funny in the front here, but that's alright. Nothing different from yeah, from my game simulator. Oh yeah, my drive shaft. I forgot to go realign that, but oh well. We're going to pretend that was not like that. Alright, so we got to get the fuel pump out. Put this in there. Oh, all the fuel tanks and stuff I have. I don't have a fuel tank or all the cars. Oh, I've been lagging like a crazy man. Alright, so we're going to buy a fuel pump. And this one. Should be a brand new fuel filter on it, because that's a brand new crate motor that was put in. Alright. I'll go through and fix that again, so next time you see this car, it'll be all better. That terrible. I should have checked that. Oh well. Alright, let's go see if we can take this for a test drive now. Let's go ahead and move this car up on one of them lifts. Actually, let's take this over to the Dyno, and we'll run a dyno test on it and see how it does. Let's go do that real quick. I think it should run. I don't think I forgot anything. There we go. Oh man, that thing has less power than my built black Mustang. We'll go take that black Mustang out in a little bit too, maybe. Wow, it says 700. My black Mustang has 900 horsepower, so I don't know if we can performance part this up or what, or what's going to happen with it. Let's go ahead and set in it. Looks pretty good, huh? Let's go drive it now. Let's go here and... Uh-oh. Which one are we in? We're gonna say this one. Airport's pretty good for this, or whatever this is. I guess you can't take tires and make them low profile, because I tried that. They seem like they didn't stay. The hood does shut on it, and it has like 4 bolts stick out through the hood. Looks really cool. Let's go see how fast this thing goes. Remember, we have bald tires most likely. I didn't check the tires, but... It gains. Alright, let's go get that black Mustang, and I'll show you what that thing does, and then we'll probably call it, because I have a lot of Mustangs and stuff I want to build up, and I'll do videos on those at some point here shortly. Did one car, that unicorn or unicorn or something like that. I don't know what it was called, but that thing only sold for like 400,000 and wasn't too bad, I guess. All right, let's go to the parking. The parking is really laggy. It's laggy up in here. Oh my gosh. Alright. So that's my laggy garage. Here's the car stats. And yeah. 940 horsepower. Let's go ahead and try to get in the driver's seat. Here's that Mustang build that I did. I don't want to use in real life. Man, I'd have all kinds of fun with that. This car's a lot faster. Kind of reminds me of back in the day when you're in the back seat and someone decides to burn the tires off, and all that smoke goes up in the back part of the car and about chokes you up. Oh man, that stuff stinks. Alright, so that's the car. Oh, I thought I hit that. So that's the build, that's the car. So I'm going to see what I can get out of that Bentley car. I think it's remastered DLC. I'll put the link in the description. I wanted to show what I did with this Mustang. Okay, so this is the one with 12 valve, or 12 cylinder. But anyway, I went ahead and fixed it all up. It's fully conditioned, like all the way up. It's worth $129,000. It does dyno out at like 800 and something, so 833 horsepower. Still not as much as this one over here, I'm pretty sure. This one's at 940. I used as many performance parts as I could in this car, but I just couldn't get it to, you know, I just couldn't get it to take anymore because they have 12 w12 or something like that. So yeah, so anyway, this is what the interior looks like. Not much different. The hood looks like it's a little sprung. It does look sprung. That's alright. That's that big old motor in there. I think it is, because if you look at some of these other ones. But anyway, these are the other ones I want to be working on here. These are the next ones I'm working on. This one will probably be next. Oh, actually, this one will be next to clear some parts out. And then, well, that's a little bitty box, isn't it? A little bitty air tank. But anyway, that one's going to be next. I'll probably put that one on the stand over there. I don't know why I threw an intercooler in there. Just for the heck of it, I guess. I don't know. This one is another 12. I'll probably end up selling one of these cars, but I'll probably keep these two builds first. I'll keep these two. But I'm going to take it out, and I want to give it a go here real quick. So, can't use my controller for some reason. Alright, well, we're going to use this with the thing. Boy, that's so loaded to do. Just like takes off and goes. So weird how that works. Like as soon as it shifts or something, then it does it. Now we're using a controller. Have my custom license plates on there. This car sets up a little bit higher than the other one. Should be like a 6-speed or something. No! Just crashed it. I hope it doesn't count. I don't think it does. Can't hit the 6th gear. That's pretty fun though. Has pretty good control though. See if we can do some like drifting around. Well, that's going to be it. Stay tuned for the next ones. I will probably do some more building on these cars. So yeah, catch you in the next one. Bye bye.